Hi, in this video we'll talk about the continuation of the part 1, which is percentage fraction equivalence. In this course of solving questions on percentages, we would very often have to find percentages expressions like 1 by 6, 3 by 8, or we can come across 22.22%, or we can come across 37.5%. This would be boring calculations and unnecessary headache for the student. So, this is easy if one has already learned a few percentage fraction values. Okay, so let's get started to explore the knowledge on percentage fraction equivalences. Okay, guys, this is everybody know. 1% means what? Yeah, 1 is always, 1 will give you always 100%. Okay, how it's going to be? 100 is divided by 100, so that will lead you to 1. Okay, yeah, so 1% means what? 1 by 100. This is different. So what I am trying to tell you is this: 1 which is equal to 100%. Okay, how it's going to be? 100 upon 100, that will give you 1. Okay, that will give you 1. Now, there are 100 rupees. I want to divide among 2 people. So everybody used to get what? It's very easy, 50 and 50. So I am dividing 100 to how many members? 2 persons. Yes or no? So can I tell you the fraction value 1 by 2, which will give you the percentage value as 50%? Yeah, 50% is nothing but what? 50 divided by 100, that will give you 0.5. So 0.5 is nothing but again the 50% only. Okay, 50% only. So you should know the fraction values. Once you should know the fraction values, that's easy. 1 by 2 is equals to what? 50%. Half of 1 by 2 is what now? Yeah, half of 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. But what is 1 by 4 value? Half of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 50. Then 1 by 4 will give you 25%. 1 by 4 is 25%. This is where you have to understand. Then don't calculate, 2 by 4. Why? 2 by 4 already indeed. 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. What is 1 by 2? 50%. Which is already Then you have to concentrate on what? 3 by 4. What is 3 by 4? It's very simple. 1 by 4 is 25%. Then 3 by 4. Please understand, this is very, very important. This is very, very important. 1 by 4 equals to 25%. And what do you want now? 3 by 4. So LHS multiplied with 3, then RHS also multiplied with 3. Can I say, if I multiplied with 3, this will become what? Yeah, this will become what? 3 by 4. Then this will become what? 75%. Okay, so 3/4 is what? 75%. Yes or no? So can I conclude one point here? If you know the first value, you can write rest of the values. That is very, very important. Okay, so then 3 by 4 is what? 75%. Yeah, when you come across 75%, you can directly write 3/4. Hope you understood this. So you can see on screen 3/4 value is what? 75%. Now 1/4 half is how much? 1/8. Yes or no? If 1/4 is 25, then 1/8 is what? Half of 25, which will give you what? 12.5%. Okay. Then how about 2/8? Do you really need to learn this value again? No, it is already indeed, which is 1/4. 1/4 value is what? This will give you 2 1s are 2 4s are. Yeah, again I know this value. What is this value? Again 25%. Already I know this value. How about 3/4? Yeah, sorry, 3/8. How about 3/8? Yeah, the 3/8 value will give you, simple, I told you, 1 into 3, LHS into 3, RHS also into 3. Okay, so 12 3s are 36 plus 0.5 into 3, that will give you 1.5. So can I write that value is going to be 37.5? Yes, 37.5%. Haven't finished this? No. 4/8 is really need? No, 4/8 is nothing but 1/2. But what you want? You want 5/8. How you are going to write 5/8? Logically, can I write 5/8 as 4/8 plus 1/8? Of course, yes. What is 4/8? 4/8 is half. Half means what? 50%. What is 1/8? 1/8 is what? 12.5%. Yes or no? Then the total will become what? 62.5%. 62.5%. How about the next value? 6/8. Do you really need to learn this value? Not really, because this is 3/4. 3/4 already you know, which is 75%. This is already 75%. Then how about the next value, which is 7/8? This is where one more learning point. 7/8, can I write 8/8 minus 1/8? Yes. 8/8 minus 1/8 will give you what? 7/8. So 8/8 is what? 100%. Minus 1/8 is what? 12.5%. Then the result is becoming what? The result will give you 87.5%. Okay, so learning point. The learning point is what? 7/8. Once you come across 7/8, that is nothing but 7/8 is nothing but the last value. Okay, like that 3/4. When you come across last value, 100% minus first value. Okay, 100 minus first value. 100 minus 12.5. That will give you 87.5. Hope you understood the reciprocal values to percentage values of the 1/8. So let's see those values. Okay, so these are the values. 1/8 is 12.5. So 3/8 is 37.5. So 5/8 is 62.5. So 7/8 is 87.5%. Okay, so if you want, I'll give you an idea. If you want 1/16. 1/16 is what? Half of 1/8. Which means what? Half of 12.5. That's where you can get your answer. You can extend this logic up to your, your knowledge. You can extend this for sure. Okay, let's go to the next fraction value, which is 1/3. 1/3 is what? 33.33% or 33 1/3%. Okay, why 33 1/3? Again, lot of people don't know 0.33. 33 is nothing but what? 1/3 only, right? Instead of writing 33 and so on, so what people will write? 33 1/3%. If you do it this again, you will get 100/3 only. 1 by 3 is 33.33. Then how about 2 by 3? Left hand side multiply with 2. Then the right hand also multiplied with 2. So that will give you what? 66.66%. Or I can write what? 66 2 by 3 percentage. 66 2 by 3 percentage. Okay. So this is where you have to understand all the values. So this is 2 by 3. Then how about what is half of 1 by 3? 1 by 3 half is how much? 1 by 6. What is 1 by 6? We know that value 16.66%, or 16. Is repeating, which means what? 2 by 3. Which means what, guys? 2 by 3. So this is how you can get your next value. Do you really need 2 by 6? No. Which means 1 by 3. That value already you know. Do you really need 3 by 6? No. Which is what? 1 by 2. That value already you know. Do you really need to know 4 by 6? No. Which is 2 by 3. That value already you know. Yes or no? Do you really need 5 by 6? Yes. But you know the logic. If you want to 5 by 6, because the next value is 6 by 6. So can I write this value as 6 by 6 minus 1 by 6, which literally means 100% minus 16.66%? Yes. 100 minus 16.66%, that will give you 83.33%. 83.33%. This is how. Don't mug up the values. This is how logically you have to learn the values. That's very, very important. Okay, so 1 by 6 is 16.66 and 5 by 6 is what? 83.33%. Let's go to the next values. Okay, 1 by 5, which is everybody know. 100 rupees I want to distribute to 5 persons. So it's obviously each one of will get what? 20 rupees each. If 1 by 5 is 20, then 2 by 5 is what? It's obvious. One person is getting 20 rupees. 2 persons together will get what? 40 rupees. Which means what? 2 by 5 is what? 40. How about 3 by 5? Always increase 20. 60%. 4 by 5 is what? 80%. Okay. So this is where you have to understand one more point. Let's say question paper is for 500 marks. You got 100 marks. Now no need to calculate, because 1 by 5 is what? Directly 20%. If you got 300 marks out of 500, then what is your percentage? The percentage is what? 60%. Yes or no? So this is how your fraction values will help you. Okay, let's go to the next fraction values. 1 by 9. 1 by 9 is what? 11.11%. Guys, 1 by 9 is 11.11. Okay, guys, give me a minute. 1 by 9 is 11.11%. Okay, can I write this value as 1 by 9%? Yes. Why? Because 1 is repeating. 0.11 is repeating. Instead of that, can I write 1 by 9? Yes. I want 2 by 9. Guys, you know the logic. If you know one value, you can write all the values. So LHS multiplied with 2, then RHS also multiplied with 2. Then what is the value of, if you multiplied with 2, then it will become what? 22.22%. When this is 22.22%, or I can write what? 22. 2 is repeating, which means what? 2 by 9%. How about if I ask you 5 by 9? Then it will give you what? 55.55%. Okay, or you can write it as what? 55 5 by 9%. So guys, the point is this. 1 by 9, if you closely observe, 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 fives are 55. Can I say 11.1111, 22.22, 55.55, all are multiples of 11s? Yes or no? All are what? Multiples of 11s. So the point is this. Okay, you can see here, okay, 2 by 9 is 22.22. So you can write 1 by 9 fractions are multiples of 11. Multiples of 11. Okay, let's go to the next fraction value. Okay, 1 by 11. What is 1 by 11? 9.09% are, you can write this value as 9, 1 by 11%. Okay. How about 2 by 11? You know the logic. Yes, into 2 into 2. 9 into 2, you know 9 table, which is 18.18%. Or what you can write here? 18, 2 by 11%. Okay, so can I conclude? If you want 5 by 11, if you know the 9 table, the job is a cakewalk. 9 fives are 45.45 percentage, or you can write this value as 45, okay, 5 by 11 percentage. Okay, so can I conclude? 1 by 11. So all reciprocals, all fraction values of this 1 by 11 definitely multiples of 9. Yes or no? So let's see. Let's see here. So 1 by 11 is 9.09, 2 by 11 is 18.18. So what is the note here? 1 by 11 value is what? Fractions are what? Multiples of 9s. Multiples of what? 9s. So you have to learn all the fraction values. That will help you when solving in the course of solving the questions. Definitely these values will help you very extremely. Okay, 1 by 7. What is 1 by 7? 14.28%. So before knowing this value, so 1 by 7. So I want you to understand this particular point. 1 by 7 means what? Literally 1 is dividing with 7. Let's divide. Okay, for your better understanding. Okay, 7, 0. Okay, 7 ones are 7. I left with 3. Point, I have a 0. 7 fours are 28. I left with 2. I can put a 0. 7 twos are 14. I left with 6. Okay, 0. 7 how many times? Okay, 7 eights are 56. Okay, I left with what? 4 and a 0. 7 fives are 35. Okay, I left with 5 and a 0. Okay, 7 sevens are 49. Okay, I left with what now? 1. Okay, when 1 is coming here, which means again the cycle will repeat. Yes or no? When cycle will repeat means again you will get 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7, 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. Can I say it's a recurring decimal? Yes. So the point is this. If you want 1 by 7, you cannot write all the values. So I can write 14.28%, or you can write this value as 14, 2 by 7%. I'll explain why 14, 2 by 7. So now I want 2 by 7. How about 2 by 7? Yes, this is very, very important. So if you want 2 by 7, so let's concentrate here. 2 by 7 definitely will come from here. Yes or no? So 0 point, okay, 7 twos are 14. Okay, 7 twos are 14 and 7 twos are 14, 7 eights are 56. So 50, 5, 7, 1, 4. So this series will continue. So can I write 2 by 7 value is what? 28.57%. Yes or no? if you want 3 by 7, okay, from where cycle will begins? From here. Okay, because yes, of course, this is the magic number. Okay, 1 by 7 is a magic number. This is definitely will help you in the exams, because all the fraction values of 1 by 7 is in between these values only. Okay, so then 3 by 7 will become what? 3 by 7, 30, how many times 7? 4 times. So then the answer will become what? 42.85%. If you want 4 by 7, then it's going to be what? Ask yourself a question. Assume this as 40. 40 how many times? 7 how many times in 40? 7 5s are 35. So look at this value. What is your value? Remember this value. 14, 2, 8, 5, 7. 40 how many times 7? 5 times. From here continue 4 values, because this is again the cycle will repeat. Then it's going to be what? Then it's going to be what? 57.14%. If you want 5 by 7, ask yourself a question. 50. Okay, 7. 7 how many times 50? 7 7s are 49. Yes, 7 7s are 49. So it will become 7 times. Then your answer will become what? 71.42%. Okay, and how about 6 by 7? Yes, ask yourself a question. 60 and 7. 7 how many times? 8 times. When it is 8 times, your answer will become what? 85.71%. Okay, so this is how you have to write all the fraction values to the percentage value of 1 by 7. So the key point is here, the value is always lie between 142857. I'll tell you one trick how to remember this. This is, if you divide 1 with 7, you are getting 0 point something, you are getting it. Okay, just try to understand like this. Okay, 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 28, 28 2s are 56 actually. But remember it as 57. You can write all the fraction values of 1 by 7. Lot of people think that this is the difficult part, but this is the only easiest value of among all the values. Okay, I hope everybody understood the fraction value of 1 by 7. Let's note down the values. So 1 by 7 is 14.28%. Okay, 2 by 7 is 28.57%, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7. Yes. Let me take this opportunity and let me explain to you why we are getting 2 by 7 here. Why we are getting 2 by 7? Yes, I am getting 2 by 7 because, 14.2857 and so on. But what is 2857? 2857 is nothing but 2 by 7. Instead of writing whole lot number, I am restricting it, writing 14.2857. 2857 is nothing but what? 2 by 7. On the same note, 2 by 7, 28.57. So what is 57? 57 is nothing but 4 by 7. Yes or no? Okay. So 14 2 by 7, 28 4 by 7, 42 6 by 7. If you look at all are even numbers, 2, 4, 6. And after that you will get all are odd numbers, which is, what is this value? 57.14. 14 is nothing but what? 1 by 7. So that's how 1 by 7, 3 by 7 and 5 by 7 you will get it. Okay, so this is regarding the total value of 14.2857, which is 1 by 7 fraction value to percentage equivalent value of 1 by 7. Okay, hope you understood this. Let's try to do few questions on this. Okay, so here we go. Okay, 137.5% of 266.66% of 240 is what? Guys, look at here. The moment a mathematical student definitely will do this question like this. 137.5% means what? Divided by 100. Half, which means multiplication. 266.66 by 100 into 240. Okay, so this is what? 137.5 divided by 100. So can I put a point here? Yes. Into 2.666 and so on into 240. The question is all about again a multiplication. Yes. If you multiply this, it will take 2 days of time and it's going to be a wrong answer. Why? Because we are very good at multiplications. Without calci, we can't do anything. So my point is this: we can get this answer definitely in less than half a minute. How? Let's look at the solution. Can I write 137.5% as 100% plus 37.5%? Yes. 100%, 100 divided by 100. Can I write 1 plus 37.5%? Recollect your fraction values. So that will give you what? 3 by 8. Okay, plus 3 by 8. Can I write this value as 8 ones 8, 8 plus 3, 11 by 8. 266.66%. Can I split that value as 200% plus 66.66%? Yes. 200% is 2. 66.66 is what? 2 by 3. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8. So can I write this whole value is 8 by 3? So can I take this value as 11 by 8 into 8 by 3? Half means again a multiplication, which is 240. Okay, so 8 ones are cancel. 8 ones are 8 how many times? 8 3s are 24 and a 0. So that's going to be what here, guys? Yeah, 11 3s are, 3 1s are 3 8s are. Okay, yeah. So 11 8s are 88. Okay, then the answer will become what? 880. Okay, hope you understood this. So what I'm interested here is this: 37.5%. If you know this value, the job is a cakewalk. 3 by 8. 66.66. If you know the value, which is 2 by 3, then the job is a cakewalk. Okay, if you know these values, questions are going to be cakewalk. Hope you understood this question. Okay, when you know these values, the job is going to be definitely a cakewalk. Okay, so we'll look at one more question. Let's understand how that question will do. So what is this question, guys? 233.33% of 660. You know now, 233. Don't write 233.33 into 660 divided by 100. Then how you are going to split this? Can I split my question as 200% plus 33.33%? Yes. So 200% is 2. 33.33 is what? 1 by 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 1, which is 7 by 3 into 660. 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 2s are and a 0. So if you multiply with 7, 7 0, 7 2s are 14. I left with 1, 7 2s are 14 plus 1. That will give you what? 15. Okay, then your answer will become what? 1540 will be your answer. Okay, that is going to be your answer. Hope you understood this. Let's move on to the next question. Yeah, 83.33. Yeah, recollect your reciprocals. 83.33 is what? 5 by 6. Yes or no? Into 360. 6 how many times? 6 times and a 0. 5 6 are 30. Then your answer will become what? 300. See, once you know the reciprocal values, the job is a cakewalk. If you don't know the reciprocal values, then you have to do a lot. 162.5%. Can I split quickly? 100% plus 62.5%? Yes. What is 100%? 1. What is 62.5%? Yeah, recollect your values, which is 5 by 8. Okay, 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 5, which is 13 by 8 into 888. Okay, so if you you can get your answer. Okay, you will get your 13 into 111 definitely will give your answer. Okay, please do that answer and check out for the next video. Okay, hope you understood the percentage fraction equivalence questions of this particular concept. Okay guys, thank you.